Welcome to Tai Chi for Beginners. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen and just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Just coming into the present moment, letting go of all the worries from the day. Just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh. Letting out tension and stress. The arms can float down. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms get heavy, floating down. The knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time, circle the arms all the way in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, both hands float over to the side and down, making two loose fists, coming all the way up and over and down, turning the wheel. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably. And you can stay nice and tall, or for more challenge, you can sink down as the hands come down. All right, one more time on this side, turning the wheel. And then reverse direction with the fists, coming all the way up and over and down, turning the wheel. Keeping the fists nice and loose. Staying nice and soft, staying tall, or for more challenge, you can always sink down. One more time, turning the wheel. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here goes right behind the lower back. The other hand scoops down and comes all the way up and over and around. We call this the Zen circles. Opening the shoulder, rotating the torso, breathing in, breathing out. One more time on this side, the Zen circles. And then reverse direction with the front arm, the other arm floats up, and then switch sides. This hand goes to the lower back, the other hand scoops under, coming all the way up and over and around. The Zen circles. Breathing in, breathing out. Lubricating the joints. One more time, Zen circles. And then reverse direction with the front arm, the other arm floats out to the side, then both arms float down, the fingertips point up, coming all the way up and over and spiraling out and away. The upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Creating space and length in the spine. One more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming up and over, fingertips point down, coming down the center, and then spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Softening down, then rising up one more time. And then circle in front, hug the tree. And then shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Then shift back as you draw the hands in, and then shift forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, the palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Taking your time, feeling the sensations, and breathing, nice and slow. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? Breathing in, breathing out one more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions, and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again, wave hands like clouds. Soften the shoulders, soften the neck, soften the face and the eyes, using only what you need. All right, one more time, drift across. This time, the bottom hand makes a hook right in front of the heart. The other hand scoops under as you drift across. And then switch. The other hand makes a hook, scoop under, the firefly in the lantern. Breathing in, breathing out, softening the shoulders. Let the elbows sink. One more time, the firefly in the lantern. And the hands float down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth, and then circle it around again, ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. One more time, roll back, toss away. Fold it in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open, wipe across. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side. The bottom arm floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, ward off. Nice and slow. One more time. Ward off. Then the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around, rolling back, going with the flow. All right, one more time. Roll back. This time, toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press. One more time, nice and soft. The press. Then the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away, and press. Release, draw in, and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, press. Release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. You can step the feet parallel to each other. Then the arms open wide, the hands float down. The backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Moving like water, soft but powerful. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot a little bit wider. From here, the hands come together in front of the heart as you soften down. Then the fingertips guide the way out to the side, they scoop around and then go out to the other side. The dragon pierces clouds, going side to side, gentle rotation, breathing. And you can continue to go side to side, or you can let the hands begin to go up to the peak of the mountain, and then going down the mountain trail to the base of the mountain. And then moving in any way that would feel great for you right now. The spontaneous dragon. Just bringing curiosity to your experience. Letting go of judgment the best you can. Just tuning into the body's wisdom. Breathing, moving, just feeling the sensations. All right, one more time. The spontaneous dragon. And then release, round out, hug the tree, bring it to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. Then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in, the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. Then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down. Just taking a moment to feel the sensations in the body one more time, just noticing how you feel. And then if you like, you can have a seat if you're not already, or you can remain standing as we finish with your poem of the day. All right, today's poem is one that I made called Feel the Flow. Graceful movements, a flowing stream. Energy pulses, a radiant beam. Balance and breath, in harmony's glow. With Tai Chi's dance, we feel the flow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 5-day beginner Tai Chi challenge. So just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.